Hey guys, I'm super excited today because guess what just arrived? The Moza Mini S Essential Gimbal. And it came with a couple little pamphlets here, how to balance, tilt, roll, axis adjustment, getting started connecting to the Moza Genius app, and a little gentle reminder from the company that sent it to me. Great, let's get started with the unboxing. So again, this is the Moza Mini S Essential. Comes in a nice little box. This is by Goodson. Includes the Moza Mini S gimbal. It has a connection for phone. Everything is in Chinese. Can't really read it. Capture the world. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so let's get into this thing. Try to not destroy the packaging too much, but hey, it's plastic, so we're just going to have to rip it open a little bit. Moza Mini S Essential, and they even give a little tab right here to pull it out by. It looks kind of cool. So let's go ahead and get these cut. And open the tab. Well, it's going to slide out for us. There we go. And alright, so in the box we have getting started instructions in English and Chinese. We have more instructions on how to set up the gimbal. We have some stickers. Oh, everybody loves stickers. All right, more instructions in Chinese and English. Don't eat this. All right, we have a USB-C cable. We have a USB to earphone cable. So this is supposed to be how to control the camera using the internal camera app. We have a little carrying case. So carrying case, it's got the little Moza brand on it. Nice. And I'm assuming this is the tripod. Comes with a little mini tripod. And that has actually got the regular 1/4-inch adapter on there, so we can use it for anything that supports 1/4-inch adapters, not just the gimbal. Very handy. And then we have the gimbal itself. It's very it's actually pretty heavy. It's very it's definitely made of plastic, and but it's well built. Like it's you can definitely tell that there's some heft to this. And right away you can see that there is a little lock right here that this is going to secure the gimbal together when it's in this small state. So we're going to unlock it here. And oh, it locked back. I guess you have to hold it. Unlock and twist around, and then it's going to lock back in place. That's going to keep it open like this. And there should be another lock right here. So all you have to do for this one, there's not actually a little switch or a button or anything. I'm just going to pull this away from it just a bit, and that's going to free up this movement now for the gimbal to move around. Alright, and that's about it. In order to lock it back, it looks like all you do is just gently push that back into the lock position. This is going to stay free, and then we're going to go back over here and we're going to pull this lock so that now it will twist. Whoop, I just unlocked the other one. We have to make sure that this stays in the right place so that it's back together, and then it snap locks back. Oh, last thing, there's also a 1/4-inch down here at the bottom. That's where the tripod is going to screw onto. I've also purchased a little piece that's going to fold out, and that will hold a cold shoe adapter for a microphone over here. So excited about seeing how that works. Okay, so let's go through a few of the features now that we're taking a look at this here. So Moza Mini S, we have the USB-C adapter here to charge it up. Once we open this up, have a clip, and then we unlock this right here. You're going to be able to see the USB connection right here that's going to be able to use the phone adapter. All right, so we're gonna play with this for a little bit and see if we can get it moving. And there's the unboxing of the Moza Mini S. Really super excited to get this working.